Hey lovelies, have you ever wondered if you can reuse your press-on nails? The answer is a resounding yes, but it all depends on the type of adhesive you use. This is how you reuse your press-on nails. First up, stick pads. They're the simplest to use, causing virtually no damage to your natural nails or the press-ons. To remove them, soak your nails in warm water mixed with a bit of dish soap and oil. This softens the adhesive, allowing the nails to easily come off after about 10 minutes. Any residue? Just soak them again in warm water. Clean them up well to ensure they're super sticky for your next outing. Stick pads are perfect for those who love to frequently change their style or can't wear nails at work but want to dazzle on their days off. For those seeking longer wear, liquid glue is your go-to. Similarly, soak in warm water for removal. You might need to touch up both your natural nails and the press-ons for reuse. Be mindful, as this can cause some damage to both. If you're a beginner, this might be a bit challenging. If you're using carefully crafted handmade press-on nails, I personally recommend solid glue. It's a middle ground between stick pads and traditional liquid glue. Easy to use, durable, and easy to remove. Removal is just as easy as peeling off a stick pad, but you might want to soak them a tad longer in water first. The only downside is the need for a nail lamp, adding about 20 minutes to the process. But compared to the hours spent at a nail salon, it's definitely worth a try. Remember to store them correctly. Keep the clean, reusable press-ons in a cute little container for easy reuse. This way, you're all set to use your press-on nails again, saving time and money without compromising your style. Hope these tips help. If you have any questions or if you've tried something new yourself, let us know in the comments. Let's explore more convenient and better ways together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty hacks. See you in the next video.